Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got over at CVS for the week and how I got all of these items completely free, literally $0 left to my bank account. So lots of great deals. I will break it down for you step by step. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. If you aren't already subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. Okay, one thing I want to address really quick prior to jumping into the deals. Someone is using my face and they're using my pictures, my image, and it's infuriating. So if you've seen comments recently, someone trying to get you to go to their Telegram account and they have my face, that's not me. Of course, I can block them from the channel, but there's nothing to keep this person or this robot or team of people from doing it again. So if you've experienced that, or if you know the laws related to that, would love to know your feedback on how you've handled it or what can be done about it. Please drop me a comment. I will be meeting with an attorney because I don't like someone else using my image and pretending to be me. It's very clear that this is not me because it's not something I would do. I don't give you guys spammy comments and try to get you to go places and click links and that kind of thing, unless it's very clear that it is me. So hopefully y'all aren't worried about it. It just really bothers me that someone would do it to me. So I'm dealing with that, and yesterday was a struggle. I got my Walgreens video out a little bit later than normal. So if you have some time, please pop over and watch it because of course the video doesn't do as well when I don't get it out as early. So if you have time, pop on over and watch my Walgreens video. There are amazing deals going on over at Walgreens, and it's worth checking out, especially if you like food deals. And y'all know I love a good food deal. Okay, so let's talk about something happier than all of that. Let's talk about the CVS deals. Literally still don't know how to pronounce it. Larabar. I still say Larabar. These guys are good. My son loves them. He pops them in the fridge and takes them with him. They're expensive though. At the grocery store, they're expensive. So I know at CVS this week, the sale price is $4.99, which already is a decent price. But there is a $1 digital coupon making them $3.99. That's what I paid at the register. But I got back 50 cents on the Fetch Rewards app. So that made my final cost $3.49 for this box. And I want to say, so my grocery store doesn't sell the 6 count. They sell a 12 count, but it was like almost $12 for that box. So that this is like half price of what I would get at the grocery store. So great deal. If that's something you buy, check it out. Across the board with grocery prices rising, I've noticed that sale prices in stores like Walgreens and CVS are dropping below some of the regular prices at my grocery store. Another one you might want to check out, and this could be a great moneymaker if you've not done the rebate, the Blue Diamond almonds. The extremes. These are 2 for $6 on sale at CVS this week. But there are printable coupons that I have linked for you in the video description box for $1.25 off each. So if you buy 2, that's $6 minus the $2.50 in coupons, you'll pay $3.50. Then submit that receipt to Ibotta where you will get $1.50 back on each of them. So $3 back on Ibotta, making it just 50 cents for both of them. Now, if you haven't submitted for the $5 rebate that I talked about in my Walmart and Target video a couple of weeks ago, you could submit for that $5 rebate, and this would turn into a $4.50 moneymaker, and you could honestly do that deal twice. The rebate is a limit of 2. I had already done the rebate twice, so my final cost was 50 cents for both of them, or 25 cents each. The other food, if you call it food, it's candy deal I did was on these Frutellas. So these are buy one, get one half off. So at my store, one is $3.39. The other is going to ring $1.69. I didn't have any coupons, and so I paid $5.08. But the Shopkick app has an offer for when you scan them and purchase them, you're going to get $5.60 back, making these completely free and a 52-cent moneymaker. So that's one way you can use your extra care bucks to then, so I used my extra care bucks to pay. Then I got that money back on Shopkick. I will cash out on Shopkick to a Target gift card or a Walmart gift card and use that money to pay for groceries or items that we need for the week. Shopkick is an amazing app. I really enjoy it, and they've had some awesome offers lately. So if you're not using it yet, grab it with my referral code because you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. Another just like freebie this week, I noticed I had a $3 CVS CRT for $3 off any Suave kids products. And so I clicked on it says shop this deal in the app. I clicked on that to see all the different products that qualified. And I saw this little guy at $2.99. And so the $3 attached to it, making this Suave Kids product completely free. Now, a great money maker is on these little Nivea creams. So these are the little tins. These are $1.49 at my store. I've noticed my store is a little bit more expensive than other people's stores, so your store may have it even cheaper. But I bought 2 of them at $1.49, but I got a $5 extra care back for buying 2. So that made them both free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, the freebies. We're still in that 2 weeks of freebies at CVS. The freebie for yesterday was the free pain reliever. So I picked up this ibuprofen at $6.79. Once that free coupon came off, it took the full $6.79 off, making my final cost free. I believe today, which is Monday, is free popcorn. So you can pop on over and grab yourself some free popcorn. But Saturday's freebie were the floss picks, and I had saved it to my card, which meant I didn't have to grab it on Saturday. I could pick it up on Sunday. And so here's how I did this deal. I had the free floss picks CRT, but I also had 2 different CVS coupons in my digital coupons. I had one for $1.50 off 2, and then I had another for $1.50 off 1. And these are buy one, get one half off, and the regular price is $3.29. So I was curious, how will all of those coupons work together? And since I thought many of you might be curious, I went ahead and tried it out. So let me tell you how it worked out. Buy one, get one half off. So $3.29, the other one $1.64. Now the free coupon took off $1.64. Now I was not hoping that would be the case, but that's how it worked out. And then I had the $2.50 off coupon, so $3 total. And honestly, it probably worked out the way it should have worked out as far as the accounting at CVS. But the $3 came off the $3.29, leaving me to pay 29 cents for both of them. So not a bad deal. And don't forget, I had the dollar CRT as well. From that free when they gave us $1, so that, in my head covers that 29 cents. Nexus product. So this was a great deal, but it was a glitch. So this is how this worked for me. These Nexus Shape and Define, all of the stylers were around the same price. So mine were $13.99 at my store. I picked up 2 of them. I had an $8 off 2 Nexus digital coupon, as well as a $5 off 1 Nexus coupon. They both came off at the register. I also had a $4 off a $25 hair purchase. So I paid $10.98, but then I got back $10 in extra care bucks because these were on promotion for getting $10 back. So it made my final cost 98 cents for both of them, or just 49 cents each. A great deal on a product that costs $13.99 each to begin with. The last deal I did is on the tree-free, what are these? Paper towels. Sorry, my brain is like half working still. They're buy one, get one free. $4.99 is the regular price, but buy one, get one free. So $4.99 for both. Then I had a coupon for $3 off a $5 purchase. Even though I'm not at $5, at $3 is still going to come off because I am very close. So I paid $1.99 for both of these packs of paper towels, or just 99 cents each. Not a bad deal. Now, the best deal on Covergirl this week. Let me tell you how this worked out. They're buy two, get $6 in extra care bucks. My store was out of the cheaper Covergirl products, so I picked up a concealer and I picked up a mascara. The concealer was $7.79. The mascara was $6.99. Now, my email coupon that I got this week from CVS was $3 off a $10 cosmetic purchase. So obviously this got me to that $10. I then got a $4 CoverGirl CRT that everyone should have gotten this week. I also had a $3 eye coupon and a $3 face coupon that I got from the July 10th Smart Source. So I paid $1.78 out of pocket, but then I got $6 in extra care bucks back for buying two of the CoverGirl products, making it completely free, and a $4.22 moneymaker. So the little moneymakers that I got covered the cost of the additional products. Like I said, I paid $0 out of pocket. I've told y'all how I do this before, but I'll mention it again in case you've never seen a video. I use my extra care bucks to pay. I also purchase gift cards on Fetch Rewards for CVS, and then I use my gift card that I get from my Fetch Rewards credits to pay for my couponing at CVS. That way nothing is ever coming out of my bank account. Now, I mentioned the Larabars had the 50-cent rebate on Fetch Rewards. So if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it with my referral code because you'll get an additional $2 back when you scan your first receipt. But they just launched a new program with General Mills where they have more General Mills deals this week. So that's where that 50 cents came from. There were a few others for cereal, and there are great deals on cereal over at CVS this week as well. So definitely check out Fetch Rewards if you're not using it already, because I think that new program that I just saw, I mean, maybe it's been around, but I think it's new, is going to help with our CVS couponing. So, questions on this, let me know down in the comments below. If you are magic and you know how to get rid of spammers, let me know down in the comments below on that one as well, because having someone else use my face and make comments with my face is really frustrating for me. I don't like it one bit. All right, hope you guys have a fantastic start to your week. Thanks.